There's a life that I want to present to her that is very beautiful and rich and intentional and beyond the day-to-day frustrations of living. Even just sharing the few things that we have around our house with her, like the Bolivian mirror that I hand carried across the continent when I was 25 and had no money and was backpacking. Those are the life experiences that are so valuable to me, and setting her up for a life where she values the same things and her 95-year-old self is satisfied is so inspiring. The vision of a Amis Sedai with us at a long table full of people from all walks of life, flinging your arms open to the world and whatever it has to offer you is a really important value. And raising her in that environment has become my new mission in life.